Have you ever wondered if you can really make money using Telegram bots? The answer is yes. I did it, and I'm going to show you how. In just 7 days, I earned $50 using one Telegram bot. I started with no audience, no ads, and no fancy tricks. Just consistent effort and smart sharing. First, picking the right bot is crucial. I looked for a bot that had real payment proof, offered referral rewards, and allowed small deposits. The bot I chose paid in TRX, with clear earnings. On day 1, I signed up and tested a $5 deposit. I set a goal of getting 10 referrals in 7 days. I quickly reached out to 5 friends, and 2 signed up. That earned me about $4 in referral bonuses. I also posted on social media, sharing my progress and referral link. By day 5, my total earnings reached $23. On day 6, I joined crypto groups and answered questions, sharing my bot only when asked. I gained 4 more signups, adding another $12 to my earnings. On the final day, I created an Instagram reel showcasing my journey. This attracted 1 more referral, bringing my total to $52. What contributed to my success? Trust and consistency. I was honest about my experience and provided daily updates without spamming. Always remember to invest only what you can afford to lose. Avoid chasing unrealistic returns and stick with a stable bot. Earning $50 in a week might not seem huge, but it shows that Telegram bots can work. If you're new, start small, test one bot, and share your experience. People will trust you, not just your link. Ready to get started? Find a bot today and embark on your journey.